Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to pair a phone with a Mitsubishi Outlander. Turn on the vehicle, enable Bluetooth, and open the head unit's phone menu to begin pairing. Follow on-screen prompts and confirm PINs match on both devices. Keep your phone close to the dash and avoid multitasking to prevent interruptions. I'll guide you through each menu so you can safely complete pairing and use hands-free calling and audio playback. In this video, I will show how to pair a phone with a Mitsubishi Outlander. Begin by selecting Phone or Bluetooth on the car screen and choose Add Device or Pair New Phone. When the Outlander appears on your phone, tap it and verify the 6-digit PIN matches the car display. Grant permissions for contacts and messages so calls and caller ID work. Finish by confirming the connection and testing an audio call to ensure everything functions correctly. In this video, I will show how to pair a phone with a Mitsubishi Outlander. If pairing fails, reboot your phone and the car system, then retry the search and pairing sequence. Clear any previous pairings on the phone that might cause conflicts and confirm Bluetooth permissions are enabled. Move other Bluetooth devices away to reduce interference and try pairing again. If problems persist, consult the manual or contact support for a firmware update or deep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.